Hello everyone, it's Monika here and welcome to my channel. Today I'm coming to you with a giveaway. It was supposed to be a birthday giveaway, but my birthday was at the beginning of the month and I was quite busy with other things and we've been away as well. So I decided to still do this giveaway, but it's not going to be a birthday giveaway, just a giveaway, just to say thank you to every single one of you who are supporting my channel and being on this journey with me. So I decided to do a giveaway in which you're going to create something based on one, or you can do more if you want, but basically you need to do at least one project based on one of my tutorials. So it can be something new, it can be some older tutorials, so it's all up to you. Maybe it could be something which you've seen recently, like this twist and pop card, or any fancy fold which we have been creating recently. So or something like this one is a chocolate wallet. I've done this multiple times on my channel, so you can follow those tutorials. So basically what I want you to do, I want you to create at least one project based on one of my tutorials, and then tag me on your social media. So if you, for example, if you are a YouTuber, you can do either step-by-step video how you're creating that project, or a project share, but you need to mention me in your video or on your Instagram, Facebook, any social media, as long as you tag me. If you can't tag me or you don't know how to do it, then send a link under this video so I can actually add you to the list. And this way I will know exactly. If you prefer to send me an email with your project, and that's fine as well. And yes, so basically I need to see that project. And then the prices. So for UK winner or winners, I've got some magazines I had duplicates of, and if you would like to win a magazine, I've got 4 to choose from, so you can pick. But if you don't want the magazine, I can do a £10, because it's about value of £10 per magazine. I can do a paper, like I can send you that £10 to your paper account. It can only be a paper, nothing else. So it's open internationally. For international entries winners, there is £10 paper, £10. Yes, paper price. If you're in the UK, you can pick a magazine, but if you prefer the cash, that's fine as well. So let me show you the magazine. So I've got Papercraft Essentials magazines, 2 of them, and 2 Simply Cards and Papercraft. So you also need to comment below the video which magazine you are playing for. If you prefer, if you're international, then write that you are international, and that £10. So first magazine is this Papercraft Essential with a Safari Adventure card making kit. So you need to write down Papercraft Essential Safari Adventure. Then I've got Papercraft Essential with Sicilian Summer card making kit with those beautiful lemons. Then Papercraft, no, Simply Cards and Papercraft Spring edition with daffodils, stamps, papers, this embossing folder, sentimentally yours exclusive paper pack. It's a quite chunky one, and there are some daffodils papers as well. So this one is Simply Cards and Papercraft Spring. And then I've got another issue of Simply Cards and Papercraft. This one comes with a Chloe. It's a Christmas edition, so there are Christmas stamps, Chloe creative stamps, Chloe creative cards, cutting die, this Merry Christmas bauble. And there is also extra magazine, Crafts for Christmas magazine. So actually 5 prizes to play for. So two Papercraft Essential magazines, Safari Adventure Sicilian Summer, spring edition of Simply Cards and Papercraft, and Simply Card and Papercraft Christmas edition. So these are the prizes. So comment below letting me know which magazine are you playing for, or if you are international, then I write down that international. Then create a project inspired by one of my tutorials, or more if you want to show me your creations, and tag me on your social media when you're going to show those photos or videos. If you can't tag, then send me an email or comment below this video with the link. And then the giveaway will finish on the 30th of September, so you've got plenty of time to go through the tutorials, or you probably know which one you like the most, or which one you would prefer to recreate. And then prizes. So if I'm going to have up to 10 or less entries, I'm going to have one winner. Then up to 20 entries, I'm going to pick 2 winners. Then up to 30 entries, I'm going to pick 3 winners, and so on up to 40. I don't think I'm going to get that many, but who knows, maybe if 50, then I'm going to create more. So I hope you're going to have fun creating or looking through my YouTube channel and deciding which project to recreate, to work on, and I hope you're going to enjoy this process, because on this way I want to see which one is your favorite maybe, and then I would see you know, what people who are watching my channel they like the most maybe. So it's like a kind of a survey in a way, but I would love to see your project. So this is a creative challenge. Of course the prizes are not big, but at least I want to say massive thank you to everyone who is supporting my channel, everyone who is commenting all those beautiful birthday wishes and gifts. I'm really truly so happy that I've got this YouTube family, and it's a really nice family, I must say, because you are all so kind and we are all supporting each other. I think whoever comments under my videos, I do try to watch your videos as well, and I think we are great bunch of crafters. So thank you for everything what you do, because I think crafting community is really nice in here. So yes, this is my little thank you to every single one of you. If I could, I would send a little prize to every single one of you, but obviously it's not possible. But I do try to remember every single one of your birthdays, so I hope I haven't missed many this year. So thank you so much. I hope you're going to enjoy this challenge and be creative, or maybe you want to follow one of the tutorials, but you want to do a bit more, like show that you can create like a specific fancy fold, but with a little bit of a twist. So you know, go for it. Don't let my creativity stop you from exploring different avenues. So yes, be creative, have fun with this challenge, and yes, enjoy it, because I will definitely enjoy looking at your work, that's for sure. So if I missed anything, I'm going to put all the information below the video so you can check it out. And check out, I always write my social media under the every single video, so you can check it. Lately I'm not very I haven't posted much on Instagram for some reason, because of other commitments as well, but I will catch up eventually. So again, I hope you're going to enjoy this one, and have fun with it, and enjoy yourself. So thank you so much for your lovely comments, for your support, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.